Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your SONY Xperia 1 Mark II, for the first you have to open the notification bar, turn on the Bluetooth on the both devices, and then just click and hold both icons. Right now we are in the settings of the Bluetooth, so click here on the paired new device. And right here my P30 Pro is, it detects the Xperia, right? And also in the Xperia we got the available device, the P30 Pro. So just click on this device. Right now we have to accept pair on both devices. And as you can see, currently it's connected. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.